So hello guys, it's Jerry of Jerry DIY TV. This is the unboxing video of my new battery charger from EcoWorthy. 12 to 24 and 20 amps. Lithium iron phosphate battery charger. Yeah, let's do unboxing. This is a new. Okay. So let's do it. Actually, it's EcoWorthy, but I bought it in Amazon here in France. Yes, it's here. Voila. Okay. With cable. Let's check. There is a connector with the clamp, red and black for the battery, positive and negative, and this one with, you put a screw here, and also the connector, and some manual, quick charger, quick start guide. Voila. Different languages, English, and what is that? French and German. And then here she is, our new battery charger from EcoWorthy. So let's unbox it. Voila. Look, there's some button here to configure and for the settings, mode, and amp. Selector for the amp, and this for the mode. This is like, this is for here. You want to use this clamp, connect it here, something like that. And how to remove. Voila. So this one. Voila. So let's power it. It connected to our utility here. Okay. Voila. Set it's off. Off. And then mode. And how to power. We need to read the manual first. And after we test in our battery, it's working now. Look. Because I want to drain my battery, and after we put it at and we charge it full in 100% because I forgot to charge it before I use it. So voila, it's working now. Just press it for 3 seconds. The mode button. There's a small pan here. It's working now. So five amps, 10 amps, 15 amps, 20 ampere, and then AGM. Lithium. So this is the selector for ampere. And I think this is automatic. If you put a 24 volt or 12 volts, you recognize which volt is appear here and take charge. To read the manual first. So ayan guys, napag-aralan ko na tong battery charger ko. Napakarami niyang mode. Yan. Basin nyo, pwede siyang DC supply. Hindi lang talagang pang charger. Bukod yung function niya sa charger at saka bukod yung sa DC. Kapag nalagay yung DC dito, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang power supply. Ayan. At sinet ko siya sa 12 volts and 20 amperes. Ayan, nakita niyan. Hindi pa natin matesting doon sa atin. Dinidrain pa natin yung ating lithium battery. So, titingnan natin kung magandang pang charge talaga to. Ngayon naman, meron ako ditong 2200 Totalican pure sine wave na inverter. At 12 volts lang siya. Supply niya sa DC. Testingan natin dito. Yan ito sinabi ko na na-set ko nito sa ano sa DC volt. Ayan. And 20 ampere. So connect natin. So let's connect it. Tingnan natin kung gagana siya. Yan. Ito yung connector niya. Oh. Yan. Tapos ito yung kanyang turn and off switch ng ating inverter. Ayan. Gumana yung kanyang... Ayan. Kapag walang load, nasa 11.9 volt siya, DC, ang ating charger. At ang ampere niya ay 1.5 ampere. Ayan. Subukan natin lagyan ng load. Ito. Ito, makita nyo, meron dito akong electric fan. Ito. Hindi siya nakayat. Medyo... ayan. Electric fan tayo rito. Subukan natin isaksak dito sa ating inverter. Tignan natin kung ano magiging reading. Where is it? Okay. Ayan. So, ayan. Saksak na siya. Tignan natin kung ano magiging reading dito ng ating charger. Ating power supply. Number 1 muna tayo. Ayan o, gumagana siya. Tignan natin. Ayan. 11.9. Ang ampere niya ay 4.8. 4 point something. Ayan. Subukan natin ilagay sa number 3. Ayan. Ampere niya halos nasa 5. 4.7. Yan ang voltage na. 11.9. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo rito sa aking inverter, ganun din. Ayan o. 11.7, 11.8. Yun siya. Maganda tong eco-working to. Habang binabasa ko yung manual, hindi ko man alam na pwede pala siyang power supply. Akala ko charger lang talaga. Kaya ayan. Napaganda yung pagbili ko nito. Kasi akala ko napabigla lang ng pagbili. Kasi yung atin namang hybrid inverter, pwede naman siya mag-charge ng ating battery. Kaso yung hybrid kong inverter, hindi niya ma-charge na fully charge yung aking battery sa 29.2. Kaya bumili ako nitong charger. Testing natin doon sa aking lithium battery. Also from Isan. Ayan. EcoWorthy 12 to 24 volt, 20 ampere. Kapag naka 12 volt kayo, hanggang 20 amperes siya. 5, 10, 15, 20. Pero pag naka 24 hanggang 10 lang. 10 ampere lang. Ang charging niya ang maximum. Ayan. Ayan o. Gumagana ang aking EcoWorthy Tatalican inverter. Ayan. Habang gumagana ating electric fan. Tingnan natin. So, hindi pa natin matetesting sa aking lithium kasi nga dinidrain ko pa siya. Hanggang sa mag 0% siya. Kasi nga kaya bumili ako nito hindi ang tagal mag-put charge dun sa aking Isan hybrid. Subukan natin dito pag nag 0% yung ating battery. Test natin. Although ito ay akala ko naman na yung 24 volt 20 ampere, hindi pala hanggang 10 lang pala pag naka 24 volt ka. So yan, umaandar siya, may fan dito sa ano sa huli, yan oh. Yan. Maganda siya. Hindi man kabigatan. So okay guys, ito yung aking review ng aking EcoWorthy battery charger. Yan, sinanong lang itong aking ito yung aking ano na rin, testing na rin. Ito pa lang na-upload yung video. Testing ko sa battery ko sa aking motor. Gumagana rin siya. Yan, maraming po salamat at merci beaucoup Avas. Salamat po at please subscribe po sa aking channel, Jerry DIY TV. Yan, maraming salamat po. Please subscribe to my channel, Jerry DIY TV. So ito po yung aking charger. Bagong-bago lang. Okay po, merci beaucoup, Ava.